Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a 6-in-1 modular car set, so it is perfect for maintaining and keeping your car nice and clean. So this was sent over by a company called BAYU, and it is the E-Pro Type C set. And you're gonna get tons of parts and pieces. So let's go over everything you're gonna get. First off, you're gonna get a user manual. It's gonna tell you all the details about it. We're gonna cover a lot of that right here in the video. You're gonna get everything's gonna store in this nice little hard case that zips up. So you can leave this in your car, or you can keep it in your garage, however you need it and basically want to utilize it. So let's go over the parts. So first off, it's all gonna use this nice little battery because it's all got a modular design. So the battery itself is a 1500 mAh battery, so it has a lot of capacity on it. The battery also works as a jump starter. So if you ever do get in a situation where you have a dead battery, they do include some jump starting cables. Just attach this. It plugs right in on the bottom, and you can go ahead and jump start your car. So that's one of the nice little accessories it has with it. On the front part, it does have a USB Type A charging port, so you can use this as a battery bank, for example. It does have a Type C port. Then it has ability to hook up like a DC port, and then you have a little flashlight. Simply turn it on by simply pressing the power button. And then on the top, this is where all the magic kind of works. So first off, the first little accessory is this little guy right here, and it's essentially a wireless charging pad. So just unscrew the little top, and then you're gonna screw in the top piece. So whether you're, let's say you're at the beach or you're going camping or something like that, you can set this out on a picnic table and then set your phone here, and it will nice and wirelessly charge. Absolutely great for, like I said, when you are going camping or you're out on the beach or having a picnic. But let's say you basically have a flat tire, or you went to the lake and you're wanting to fill up some inner tubes. Well, you got this little device, and this is a tire inflator. So you just simply get it in position. There's a little lock and unlock button. Simply twist it. Once it's turned on, it's got the power to it now. And so just simply press that, and you're good to go. So you got the little cord there at the top. You get, of course, the ability to put this on a bicycle tire or your car tires. It also does have a nice bag with additional attachments, so you can do those inner tubes or like a basketball if you need a little point hose. And it just attaches to the front. And then on the little screen here, you're gonna have the ability to go ahead and change from like a bicycle, the car preset, the basketball preset. And so you just cycle through those, but then you can simply press the plus or minus button to get to the exact PSI that you need. And it works very, very well. And then let's say, you know, you don't need that anymore. You want to go ahead and vacuum your trunk. Well, it includes a vacuum attachment as well. So we go ahead and line this up, twist it and lock, and now you have a built-in vacuum cleaner. Simply press the power button, and you're good to go. The vacuum cleaner has two settings. It has a low setting and a high setting. It's gonna basically do 19,000 PA suction. And then it also does have a little brush attachment. So if you are needing to do that, just simply slide that in, twist, and you can just simply empty the container here. So this, once again, will work great for getting between your car seats, vacuuming the back. You can even use it like on a keyboard or anything like that. So very, very easy to use. When you're not wanting to use this, let's say it's time to wash your car. Well, now you have a ability to clean the car. Simply line these pieces up and lock it into place. And now you have the ability to do a pressure wash your car, essentially. It has this nice little nozzle here, which is going to have 6 different head attachments. And it's just simply pull this forward, slide it in place, and now you're good to go. And then just rotate to basically select whichever option you want. So that way you can go ahead and clean your car. There is a nice long hose here. My only thing with the hose is it doesn't have the adapter to hook up to like a hose faucet. It's for a bucket. So you're gonna take this, you're gonna drop it in a bucket full of water, and then you're good to start washing your car, especially if it's soapy water, then you can utilize that. However, it does come with also a soap attachment. So you can put this attachment, basically fill this up with soap, unscrew the part here, and then go ahead and soap up your car and then utilize this to rinse it off, which is really, really nice. It works very, very well. A little nice trigger, very well balanced in the hand. And like I said, this has a pressure of 200 PSI as far as utilizing it to clean your car. But overall, it has a ton of parts and pieces. Like I said, it's all modular design. It also does come with a USB to USB Type-C cable, so that way you can power up the battery itself. But the battery is gonna last you around, it depends on the various devices and the various settings, but most of the settings is gonna last you around 40 minutes of constant usage. It also does hold a charge nice and long. There is those 3 little lights above the power button, and that gives you an idea if it's fully charged 50% or 25% as far as utilizing it. And that top part, like I mentioned with the phone holder, is a wireless charger. But very, very versatile, great little device. Makes a great gift for somebody if they're kind of like starting out and you want to give them like an all-in-one solution to keeping their car clean, maybe having an emergency backup in case they need to jump it. Lots of little parts. They also sell lots of additional accessories that you can also pick up, like fans and whatnot. So if you're in the market and you're looking for a great auto kit for your car, I think this one by BAYU is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.